In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out of your YouTube account from other devices using your mobile or computer. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's start with the mobile. I'm gonna use my iPhone 15 Pro. However, this also works on any iPhone and another devices such as Android. First off, guys, we need to open up YouTube mobile app, then sign into our account, and once it is done, just tap right here where it says You. And then somewhere here at the top, you can easily find the Google account. You need to tap on it. And then you will be taken to your Google account settings, where you need to drag this bar a bit to the left until you find security. Once we get into security and the page is loaded, we need to scroll down until we find your devices. And down below here, we need to get into Manage All Devices by tapping at that link. And then what that will do, that will show us all our devices where we are signed in with our YouTube account. Here I got 5 sessions on iPhones, 4 sessions on Windows, some sessions on Android phones, even one unknown device here, which is Android TV. And then if we wanna sign out from a particular device, we need just to tap at that device and then tap at sign out. To confirm it, tap at sign out again and then hit OK. That's how we can easily, as you can see now it says sign out under that device, and that's how we can easily do so from mobile. On a computer, basically we need to do the same. So first off, we need to head over to youtube.com, then sign into our YouTube account. After that, click right here at the top right corner at our profile picture, and that's where we can easily find Google account. Once we get into Google account settings, at the left side we can easily find security. And then we just need to scroll down all the way until we find your devices here, and then we can get into Manage All Devices, and in the same way we can sign out from any device from that list. Let's say I'm gonna sign out from that device, so we can get into it, click at sign out. It says that this will remove access to your Google account from the device. That is exactly what we need. And then to continue, just click at sign out. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.